Hare Krishna. As we were seeing about the details of Vyuha, that is, military formation in Kurukshetra, let us see on the first day of the Kurukshetra war in the Mahabharata, the Kauravas formed the Sarvatomukha Vyuha, which could withstand attacks from any side. The Pandavas, who were weaker, responded by forming the Achala Vajra formation, which offered good visibility. Arjuna led the Pandavas in forming the diamond formation with himself and Virata king of Matsya, also Abhimanyu, Arjuna's son, at the head. Bhishma, the Kaurava commander-in-chief, led the Sarvatomukhi Dandavyuha, or head of a mace formation. What is the consequence of the first day of Mahabharata war? The Pandavas suffered heavy losses and were defeated. The Pandava forces, led by Arjuna, formed the Vajra Vyuha with Virata king and Abhimanyu, the son of Arjuna, at the head. The Kaurava commander-in-chief, Bhishma, himself at the forefront. At the end of the day, Shalya and Bhishma killed Virata's sons Uttara and Shweta. Krishna consoled Yudhishthira, saying that eventually victory would be his. Let us see the day 2 of Mahabharata war. The Pandava army used the Krauncha Vyuha to fight in the Kurukshetra war. The formation was formidable, with Satyaki guarding the wings and Bhishma arranging the formation. The word Vyuha means arrangement in Pali and Mahayana Buddhism languages, and can also refer to supernatural manifestations or magical arrangements. Let us see the consequences on the second day of Mahabharata war. Arjuna, realizing that something needs to be done quickly to reverse the Pandava losses, decides to kill Bhishma. Krishna locates Bhishma's chariot and steers Arjuna toward him. Arjuna tries to engage Bhishma in a duel, but the Kaurava soldiers protect him and attack Arjuna. Arjuna and Bhishma fight a fierce battle over hours. Drona and Drishtadyumna similarly engage in a duel, and Drona defeats Drishtadyumna, who is saved by Bhima. Duryodhana sends the troops of Kalinga to attack Bhima, and most of them, including the king of Kalinga, are killed. Bhishma comes to relieve the battered Kalinga forces. Satyaki, who was assisting Bhima, shoots at Bhishma's charioteer and kills him. Bhishma's horses bolt and carry Bhishma away from the battlefield. The moral is, don't allow greed and arrogance to rule you, as don't be a Duryodhana. Let us see the third day of Mahabharata war. Bhishma formed Garuda formation. Arjuna countered with Ardhachandra formation, also called as Chandrakala Vyuha or Crescent Moon Vyuha, on the command of Drishtadyumna. Duryodhana also sent thousands of car warriors to fight with Arjuna, while Abhimanyu and Satyaki defeated the Shakuni army. What is the consequences? The Kaurava concentrate their attack on Arjuna, whose chariot becomes covered with arrows and javelins. Arjuna builds a fortification around his chariot with an